Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this blue cut crease with the Diamantes. So first taking my Revolution Pro palette and sweeping on that blue shade Daydream all across my lid. In the blue and green shades, and I'm going to be putting this on where I did the blue and just blending that in. Now using a flat Morphe brush and my Estée Lauder foundation and creating my cut crease. You can see you just stamp it on to create a kind of cut crease shape. The tape is there as a guide and it really does help obviously to create that wing. Next taking the flat Morphe brush and the same blue shades used from my Revolution Pro Mattes palette and just placing these colours in my outer corner of my eye. Next taking the shade VIP from the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous Morphe palette. I'm creating a shimmery blue colour by mixing the two shades together. To fill in the inner corner, I have done the same but just made sure that the shade is lighter, so it is a gradient of light to dark across my eyes. Now for the rhinestones, taking some face glue and dotting where you want the gems to go. I'm doing mine sort of in an arch above my eyeshadow, but you can put your rhinestones wherever you really want to. Next taking the Revolution matte palette and using that blue to underline our eyes and make it nice and smoky. Now moving on to the face makeup and using my NYX contour and highlight palette, I'm going to start with the highlight shade. Highlighting my chin and bridge of my nose. Next taking a cool brown contour shade and finding my cheekbones, my forehead and contouring my nose too. Also contouring my bottom lip because I don't know if this works but I read it makes your lips look bigger and I'm all for that. Next taking my beauty blender and blending this in slightly. Taking my Estée Lauder and my beauty blender and bouncing that all over my face, blending in the contour and highlight. All the foundation is blended and I'm going to move on to my mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Cat Eyes. Next taking some highlighter and highlighting all the key points such as your eyebrows, cheekbones, cupid's bow and nose. Finally applying some shimmery shade in the inner corner of my eyes and some peach blush on my cheeks, and this is this look finished. Hope you enjoyed this little blue cut crease with little glittery things. Thanks for watching.